Enjoy this. Tonight on Wednesday's Child, a budding artist with a chance to explore his creativity.
His name is Nex, N-E-X. His heritage, Hispanic. His goal, to find a family.
He's shy, but when Nex smiles, it lights up the room.
Hi, my name is Nex and I love art.
How tall are you?
5'3".
I took Nex to the Danforth Museum in Framingham. He loves all forms of art and is gifted.
I understand you sold a piece of art. Mm-hmm. What did you do? What was it?
A chessboard.
How long did it take you to make it?
A week and a half.
Really? How much you sell it for?
15.
Do you still have the 15?
Mm-mm.
What'd you do with it, Nex?
I bought magic cards.
I think it's an escape for him. I think it's very therapeutic. He enjoys just doing freehand, and I actually discovered it about a year ago, and he's just evolving.
What would a perfect family be for Nex?
A mom with older brothers or younger.
Would you help?
Mm-hmm.
Like what?
Like cleaning, putting the groceries away.
He is very kind, generous, has very gentleman traits to him, very caring, giving. He would like to learn things from them, but them accept him and love him.
Nex loves basketball. He does well in school, and his favorite subject is math.
Bye, everyone. Look for the beauty in life.
Which clearly he does. We often talk about how children blossom with love in their life. He has a real talent there.
Well, he certainly loves it, and he got a big kick out of seeing all the various artists on display. So good luck to Nex.
Yes.
Finds the right family. I think he's going to have a lot of fun, and so will they.
Yes, you can tell he's a nice guy.
For more information on Nex, you can call the Massachusetts Adoption Resource Exchange, 1-800-882-1176. Check out my website, Success Stories, at JackWilliamsWednesdaysChild.com.
And we'll be back right after this.